Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I have a new at-home facial device for you guys that I've been testing out for a month, and I can honestly say I do love this device, and I'm going to tell you why I like it better than all the other things I've been trying lately when it comes to red light therapy. The company that makes this device is, I believe you pronounce that, Ladora. The name of this device, like I said, it is a red light therapy device. This is called the Lumio Skin Lift 4D Current Red Light Therapy Device. The last time I showed you a red light therapy device I was testing out, I had a face mask and the neck mask. And while I liked the neck mask because I would just put that around my neck and just kind of do stuff, those darn face masks, I think I'm going to wear them. I think I'm going to use them, and I never do because they are so uncomfortable. The eye area presses in here and then ends up leaving a little bit of an indentation. It hurts. The mask itself is just kind of inconvenient. It messes with my hair. I just much prefer holding something in my hand and rubbing this over my face and doing it that way. So I can honestly say, out of all the red light therapy at-home treatments that I do, that I've used, I really like this Lumio device. What their selling point is, all you need to do this is for literally 3 minutes a day, which is easy. That's so easy for me to do at home on my own schedule. I don't have to put a big mask on wrapped around my hair, get eye indentations, all that stuff. No matter how many times I've tried those face masks, I don't like them. But this, I really do like. Super easy, very comfortable device in my hand. I'm going to show you how this was packaged in the box. It came with the Lumio Skin Lift 4D red light current device. It also came with a charger that I just plugged into the wall. I think the initial charge was for 3 hours. To get it fully charged, it came with an instruction manual, and it also came with a serum that you use with this to kind of help it to glide over your skin. I'm going to show you how I use this device. I've been using this for a month. Red light therapy really is one of the at-home therapies, and I really believe microneedling too. But red light therapy and microneedling are two skincare treatments that really have been shown to be beneficial in studies. It is one of the treatments that actually has clinical studies backing it. That's why I like using red light therapy on my face. And this is so easy because I just wash my face at night, rinse it off, and then just start using this, lay in bed. It's just so easy. And I just rinse the serum off my face and I'm done. Just very quick. 3 minutes. Let me show you how I use this. I do it in a lifting up motion, and you will see that this is non-invasive, pain-free, and it's very relaxing because if you use it on the lowest level, it's almost like a massage. I'll tell you about each of the different levels of this while I'm using it and kind of what they're good for. And then at the end, all I do is just get kind of a damp sponge or a damp cloth, kind of clean this area off of any kind of the serum that's left over, and then I'm done. Let me show you how I've been using this past month. Okay, I am back with a bare face. Oh, goodness gracious. Back with the bare face. I just washed my face. It is now dry, and I am going to show you how I use this Lumio. The device itself comes with this little plastic protective cover. You're going to take this off, pop that off, and then what I do is I'm going to go through each level and tell you what each of these levels is for, and I'll just show you how I use it. What I do is I get their 8 peptide activating serum, and I use this section by section. I'm going to go on this cheek first, so I'm just going to only put it on this side of my face. That way it doesn't dry out as I'm using it. You push this down for about 3 seconds and the device will go on. And it automatically goes to level 1, which is the lowest red LED light, which is 630 nanometers. That really was the length of light that was tested to be the most I believe, beneficial for your skin. Level 1 is just supposed to give your skin a glow, kind of give it just a radiant glow, and it feels very relaxing. It doesn't feel like it's doing anything but just kind of a little bit of a vibration. And what I do is I lift my skin upwards, just like this, as I use it. Now, if I want to go to kind of a gentle lift mode, that would be level 2. So let me press this again, and it tells you what it is. And level 2 is both red LED and also microcurrent. So that's supposed to help to lift and firm and tone your skin. So I do this, and I do this all along my jaw, like that. I actually do this over my mouth. Lift that up. So that's level 2, and let's go to level 3, which is called boost mode. Level 3, I'm going to do this side of my face. Normally I do one side until I'm kind of done. So level 3 is boost mode, and that also is red light therapy, which is 630 nanometers, along with something called electroporation. And that's going to help to enhance the absorption of skincare products that you put on your face. That way it'll help to improve those benefits. So again, I gently push my skin upward. Go up here and push this up, trying to lift. Now we're going to go to level 4. This is the skin renewal mode. This is the red LED 630 nanometer wavelength, along with near infrared light and electroporation. It's supposed to help to accelerate skin renewal, and I put this right under my eyes. And it's also supposed to help to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. So I gently do this even right under my eye, like that. Always upward and along my jawline. Okay, let's just move on to my forehead. We're going to go on to level 5. And this is considered the advanced lift mode. It's red LED light, along with near infrared light and electroporation. And you can definitely feel this one. This one I can feel. This is supposed to help to firm and sculpt your skin. It really is supposed to have stronger lifting power, and I definitely can feel this. And then the highest level of them all is level 6. It's called the Trinity mode. And the Trinity mode is red LED, light, near infrared light, and electroporation. And this is the maximum power mode. It gives you full spectrum rejuvenation of light. It really has a lot of anti-aging benefits. Normally, if you just keep this on one mode and you're using it, it will automatically shut off after 3 minutes. But because I've constantly kept switching modes, I'd have to wait now for 3 minutes for this to be completely turned off automatically. This Lumio has 4 technologies. It has the LED red light therapy. It has near infrared light therapy. The LED light therapy is 630 nanometers, while the near infrared light therapy is at 850 nanometers. It's supposed to really deeply penetrate into the skin. It's supposed to help to stimulate collagen and improve elasticity. There's also facial massage and what's called 4D current infusion, and that just helps with toning and lifting. It's going to help with your crow's feet, puffiness under your eyes, smile lines. That's why I put it over my mouth. And it's supposed to really make your skin glow and be more radiant. There we go. So I love this device. You turn it off by holding it down about 3 seconds and then clean it off, put the little plastic cap back on it, and store it. Like I said, I've tried and tested out a lot of different red light devices. I have yet to use my mask since I've been to Colorado. The process of putting it on, having it on my face, having those things kind of pushing into my eye area, having it mess up my hair, it's just a hassle. This is so much easier. It fits in my hand. I can do it in 3 minutes a day and I'm done. You can do it longer if you want to, because if I go from one mode to the next, sometimes I like to do one of the modes for 3 minutes and then move to the next mode and do that for 3 minutes. My most favorite mode is probably 4, 5, and 6. Those I think are the most powerful modes, but it's very relaxing. It's like a massage for your face. These light therapies have been clinically proven in studies to really help benefit skin and as an anti-aging device to be used at home. If I have any coupon codes for this particular device, I will leave them down in my description box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. I'll put a link for this product also down there. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.